Happy Saturday. This is Andrea Thorlickson with Tarbell Realtors doing an open house here in Rancho Mission Viejo, 29 Lindura. You should come by, come check it out if you know anyone who's looking for a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 1-story home in a 55 and over community. Check out the view behind me and I'll give you a tour. So here we are in the California room, fully covered patio with ceiling fan, feature wall. You can watch your TV out here as well as your view and your fire feature. Wonderful interlocking paver stones all the way around the house. Great backyard, very low maintenance. And then here's the cafe, the gourmet kitchen, stainless steel, like new appliances, tons of built-ins. As you can see, you can pull things out. This is part of the great room with seating for 4 at the granite center island. Here's the butler's pantry pass through to this gorgeous dining room. So you have a formal dining room with this plan, custom coffered ceilings, custom leaded glass front door. You've got an office, front bedroom with ensuite bath, both bathrooms are fully upgraded. We're back to the view that you get as you walk into this home. And I'll show you the master bedroom. Hi. Really spacious, gorgeous view. And the master bath is full of custom features, including my favorite, vanity, with lots of built-ins and ways to hide all your everyday needs. Zero threshold shower. And built-in master closet with tons of storage. Come see us today from 1 to 5. My number is 949-422-9574 for more information.